Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to sell clothes on Whatnot. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Whatnot application. Then of course log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell clothes on Whatnot. So you can sell clothing on Whatnot either through the live shows or regular buy it now listings. So these here, as you can see in the home screen that I have live, of course, those are the live events. You can go and create your own live event and then of course put in those, make lives where you can of course sell and people can bid. Also, you can put in your shop to as a buy now. When you click on the profile of a person, go to shop here. As you can see, you have items that you can buy, of course, without being in a show. So click on here and you can see of course how you can of course see the price, and you can of course, as you can see, pre-bid and buy it there in the shop also. So those are your options. For that, you need to go and click on the Sellers Hub, which is in the bottom side of the screen. So here in the bottom we have home, category, sell, activity, and account. Click on sell. There you will get to the Sellers Hub. Mine is not, I'm not in the region that supports it, but if you are in one, then you can create a Seller Hub and there put your clothes to selling. So if you're selling lots of clothes, Whatnot also supports quicker inventory workflows, including temporary listings and bulk listing via CSV. It also testing, of course, templates for categories such as tops and dresses. Tops and dresses, sorry. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you find it informative, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.